You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. A bit confusing because there are indeed two different pronunciations in English that are correct. So let's break them down. Tricyclic is the first one. If you want to learn more vocabulary, by the way, I'll link to many confusing words at the end of this video. Tricyclic, tricyclic. The alternative pronunciation is as tricyclic. Yes, that exists as well. So if you've been wondering, well, both pronunciations are correct. Tricyclic or tricyclic. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.